Okay, Charlie, you ready to help Mommy open her presents?
Yes, Mommy.
Aww. I know what you're all thinking. I make the most adorable children.
And lots of them.
Okay, before we do presents, I'm just gonna run to the little mommy's room. Be right back.
Well, what a pretty girl you are. My name is Karen.
My mom don't like you.
Of course she does. Why else would she invite me to the party?
You rich.
Oh. Well, yes, I am rich, which means I have a large car to put my large present into and drive away.
Well, that was awkward. I'm certainly glad your mommy likes me, huh, Charlie?
My mom says you talk funny.
Pardon me?
Hurts her head.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, guess I'll just take my snickerdoodles and skidoodle.
Oh, you betcha.
Amy, I think you might want to hurry it up in there.
Me.